Yo, what's good, folks? I don't see too many, young guys like myself doing these type of videos, even though there's like a good handful of them on there, mainly just like out of country guys or older guys. So I thought I'd just teach you how to tie a tie. So, see how I'm holding it out? This is kind of a super long one. It's a little bit longer than most of the ones I have, but it's pretty easy. Just put it around like this. I'm gonna go slow too. Like some of these guys go a little too fast, and I literally, like when I first learned, I didn't have a guy to teach me how to do it. I had to like do it in like half slow-mo on YouTube just to be able to figure this out. But I've been doing this for like a year now, so like this, boom, put it around your neck. Always make sure that the fat side is a little bit lower than the skinny one. Okay, cross over the fat side. Make sure the fat side is crossed over the skinny side. Okay, put it around once, all the way around. Put it. See, I'm not going over, I'm going under. I went around one time, and now I'm going over in between the hole, like this, if you're watching closely. And then there's gonna be a little hole where my finger is, where I'm holding this together, where I looped it around. I just, see the tip of the fat one right here, it's in my finger? Put it through the front hole where your finger is, that's holding it together. And pull it through. Pull it through. Keep it straight, but pull it through, all the way through. See there? Now it's in a pretty good knot. See the distance between the skinny one and the big one? And now, take your finger right here with the skinny side, fat side right here, tied up in a knot, and just pull. Pull it tight. And maybe you'll need like a little tie clip or whatever to keep it from swinging all over the place, but that's how you tie a tie. Sometimes it might be a little bit like longer right here, but that just means you needed it to you needed the fat side to be down a little bit lower, so you can always undo it and do it again and like pull it up a little bit tighter, just so you don't see like the top button right here showing. But yeah, I did it just enough to where they're kind of equal level. But for those of you guys who didn't know how to tie a tie, that is how you tie a tie. It's not hard, but hopefully that helps. Oh, and one more thing. If you lift up the fat part, you'll see like a little hole right here. That hole is for the skinny one. So let me put y'all back down right here real quick. I almost forgot, that's my bad. Just take the little part, shove it down that hole, boom. Now you just got one long string, just in case you don't have a tie clip. A tie clip actually looks pretty good. I like using a tie clip. Hold on, let me go get it. I got it. So this is a tie clip right here. And with a tie clip, 1, 2, 3. Usually like count like 3 buttons down. And slide it right here. Maybe bring it down just a little bit. And boom shakalaka. It's not going anywhere. Hope that helps. You guys have a nice, productive, good day. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to more simple, less stupid. You have a good one. I'll see you.